Would you like to earn $55 per hour online with Google? Today I'm going to show you a way in which mighty Google will teach you for free on how you can make money online. I'm very excited to show you this method, and I hope that you will find it both valuable and helpful. So let's get started. My name is Rupesh, and I'd like to welcome you to this channel, Passive Income for All. This channel is not only to help you to find ways to making money, but to help you to find a way in which you can create your very own passive income online. So if you would like to learn how you can create a passive income online, please go ahead and click on the link in this video description to check out the very same method that I have been using for the past 5 years to earn money on a passive income basis. So now let's talk about earning money with Google.
Okay, so to get started, all you need to do is simply just type in Google Skill Shop in the search bar, and you'll see up to click on the first results, it shows you Google Skill Shop, and I'll tell you what that's all about. Okay, so here we are, master the Google tools you use at work with free online training. So this opportunity is all about Google offering to you a certification course, which is free, by the way, that will help you to become an ad specialist. So what is this all about? Well, you see there are a lot of companies out there, and I'm going to show you right now how huge this opportunity is. But there are a lot of companies out there who want their brands to get their exposure. And what better way than to use the mighty Google? And this is where you come into the picture, where you can assist these companies when they want to place an ad on Google so that their companies comes up within the top search results page. So everybody wins. Google gets the fee for the ads, you get your fee for offering your service, and the customer is happy because he's getting he's getting clients to his business. So how big exactly is the ad revenue business? Let me show you. Okay, now just to give you an idea of how big the advertising business is, in 2018, Google's ad revenue amounted to 134.81 billion US dollars, and this is the company that generated advertising revenue via its Google Ads platform, and that's the platform that folks are going to be using to advertising their business. That's a platform where you are going to learn on how you can help the businesses out with their business. So this is according to Statista.com, and it was, I think, about 10.9% of their revenue. That this is how much it amounted to. So what does this tell you? It tells you that a lot of companies are competing for the top spots within Google. I mean, can you imagine? Everybody is on the internet. There's over 4.3 billion people on the internet. I mean, if your company is on the top spot, can you imagine the revenue your business is going to get? And this also means that it's time for you to get involved in this evergreen market. And what better way than to take the Google Ads certification course? Speaking of which, let's take a deeper look at what the course is all about. Back again at the Google Skill Shop page. Now let's take a look here. You see they have the Google Ads certification course, the Google Ads display certification. These are all the different types of courses that you can start. Naturally, I would recommend you start at the first one, which is the Google Ads certification course. Let's check that out. Okay, so the Google Ads certification course will take you about 3.7 hours to complete, which is not too bad. And it's a beginner course, and you also get the user ratings for the courses. Apparently 261 user ratings for the course, and it tells you to demonstrate your mastery of building and optimizing Google search campaigns. Certified users will exhibit the ability to leverage automated solutions, and by earning the certification, Google recognizes your ability to translate a vision for online marketing, develop a Google strategy, generate a plan to increase lead sales or web traffic using Google search. And if you go further down, there's an assessment that you will be required to take, and these are all the little modules that are available in the course, and it tells you the breakdown of each of the modules. Grow your business, it's about 15 minutes, 32 minutes, 11 minutes. And if you go further down, Okay, that's about it. That is just a Google search, Google Ads search certification course. And let's see how long the rest of the course will take you. Alright, so here's a breakdown of the other courses and how long they will take you. The Ads Display Certification course will take you about 2.6 hours. The one that we took a look at will take you 3.7 hours. Then you got a Google Ads Measurement Certification, another 4.7. The video one will take you 4 hours, and a Shopping Ad Certification will take you another 2.8. And as you can see, it won't take you that long. Roughly speaking, you're looking at about a day or so. Now, at the end of the day, it's not just about doing a course. At the end of the day, you are investing in yourself, and you are teaching yourself, or you are absorbing the skills that will help you to take yourself to different places. Now, earlier on, I talked to that you can earn up to $55 per hour, but the truth is you can earn much more. And let me show you what the earning potential are for someone who is a PPC specialist. Take a look at this. I am at Upwork.com. This is a freelance website, by the way, and you just simply type in Google PPC and you'll see a bunch of search results that will come up. Nick B, his rate is $55 per hour and he's earned 300K so far. And he says here, I am a Google partner and I've been a Google AdWords certified specialist since 2011. Dove B, his rate is $90 per hour. Jason B, his one is $75 per hour. $50 for Mr. Wasim. And yeah, $215 Google Ads certified lead generation with PPC. And it goes on and on and on. And you know what's the really cool part? That this is only one freelance website. You get tons of other freelance websites where you can showcase your skills. You can go to freelancer.com, you can go to fiverr.com, you can go to 99 Designs. Basically, once you've acquired a skill, it's a skill that will be sought after, and as I said, it's an evergreen niche. So people would always, as long as the internet is around, people would always want your expertise. So why not give the skills a shot, or why not give the course a shot? So now that covers the main core of this video on how you can make money with Google.
At the end of the day, it's all about investing in yourself. I always believe that one of the greatest assets that you can ever invest in is in yourself, because you're going to be equipping yourself with the skills and knowledge to take things to the next level. Once you've got the skills, nobody can take them away from you, and the sky is the limit. I mean, as you have seen, becoming a PPC Ads Specialist, there's quite a lot of opportunities and there's great potential. But while we're talking about that, I like to draw your attention to something else. Why not invest the skills and the knowledge to help you to build a business that will have passive income potential? That means once you put your effort in, you'll be able to have a business that will earn for you as time goes on. And I'd like to draw your attention to my number one recommendation, which you can find by simply clicking on the link below this video. It will show you the very same method which I am using for the past 5 years to earn myself a passive income online. Look, and I want to also tell you that when I first started off, I knew nothing about online business. In fact, I came from the health field. I'm a pharmacist by profession. So it's a complete newbie-friendly method, and go ahead and check it out. And I'll be there to help you every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video has helped you out. Please, if you go ahead and subscribe to this video if you haven't done so already, so that we can see each other in my very next video. Do be safe, and I wish you everything of the best in your online success. Take care. Goodbye.